So, coconut milk on its way. Coconut milk. For those of you who don't know what coconut milk is, I get mine in a pack. If you want to, you could get it in the can. And I already poured it out in here. So I'm gonna just use, guys, every dish is important, so. So that's like about quarter cup. Add some water to it. Just mix it up like that. Oops. Ah, oh, so messy. Guys, if you're new to the channel, please like the channel, leave a comment, say something. Don't be strangers. I'm not a stranger. I know it's late, guys. I know. Just keep up with me for a few more minutes, and then I promise you, you're gonna like the outcome. So once you mix up your coconut milk like this, see, it's just like that. That looks good, doesn't it? So I'm gonna add it to the rice. Look at the chicken. The chicken's doing magic in there. Woo! Yes, that's the sound I'm looking for. There we go. Now that's gonna taste nice and creamy, guys. I didn't put too much because I didn't want it to be too wet. Just wet enough, and it's gonna dry down a little bit. Yes, that's what I'm looking for. Guys, you can add coconut milk to almost anything that you're making, eh? Like there is no exceptions to it. It's just one of the specialties of being in the kitchen and cooking and creating, and you know, that's part of it. And yes, I like to bang my pots. This is the chicken. Look at that. Doesn't that look nice? Okay, so you see how it's caramelizing a little bit? Because I know it needs a little bit more time to cook, even though it's looked beautiful. I'm still going to add a touch of water to it. Not a lot. There. Okay. Yes, that's enough. It looks so good already. I want to make sure it's like cooked thoroughly, guys. There. So what I'm going to do, guys, look at it, it's bubbly, bubbly, bubbly. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the peppers and the rest of the onions to this. There we go. Okay. So that's what I'm gonna. Oh, guys, I'm still gonna throw it in there. Just because I'm on camera doesn't mean I ain't gonna use it. Don't tell me that you won't fight it. I know you do. It's Food-Farrell. I got them watching now. It's Food-Farrell. Play the beat and don't stop. Guys, big up Richie Rich TV in Jamaica. Records in Jamaica. He's one of a special guests person that we know, and you know he's doing very well. So pick him up if you have time. Check him out. TVG, I believe. Records. Intense TV. Intense TV. Yes, that's it. Yes, man.
Richie Rich Production.
Richie Rich Production, guys. Richie Rich Productions. Check him out, guys. Yes, check him out. Okay, so this is looking pretty good. My rice